Since we were kids, we have come across so many games and have played our hearts out. Be it with our building buddies or classmates, playing is one of our favorite activities. But do you know what happens to us when we play? Let us explore. Number 1. Chess. The game that originated in India has so many benefits. It helps build up memory. It improves planning and problem solving skills. Concentration becomes strong. You must have heard about Vishwanathan Anand, the Grandmaster of Chess. Number 2. Cards. Ever wondered why there are 52 cards in a deck of cards? Here's why. The number of cards corresponds to the number of weeks within a year. Interesting, right? Playing cards improve your social skills. Playing cards gives people a chance to improve their motor skills. Cognitive skills that develop by playing card games are many. Some of these are memorizing, matching, number, and pattern recognition, etc. Number 3. Ludo. Ludo is a board game that originated in ancient India. The game has evolved from the original one called Pachisi. Goal setting and patience increase logical thinking capability and other cognitive skills. Encourage the improvising perspective abilities such as decision making and problem solving. So these were some of the indoor games that I'm sure you all must have enjoyed playing. Thank you.